Namaste everyone, welcome to Sudeha Yoga. Today, let's talk about a few habits for a healthy lifestyle. It is health that is the wealth and not the pieces of gold and silver. This is the quote which was once said by the Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yes, for a person to work effectively, he must need a healthy mind and a healthy body, for which he needs to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Today, I'll tell you the simplest habits which will bring a lot of change in your lifestyle. Number 1. Drinking enough water. Do you know that drinking enough water every day can help you improve hydration, enhance bodily functions, regulate body temperature, promote healthier skin, increase energy levels, and helps in effective digestion. So drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Number 2. Regular exercise. Doing regular exercise like yoga, running or any sport can help you strengthen your heart and improve circulation, which leads to the increase of oxygen levels in your body. Number 3. Healthy food. Eating lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and dairy in moderate amount can help our body stay clean. Try to avoid oily and junk foods as much as you can and add sattvic ahar into your diet. Number 4. Fasting. Fasting twice a month can help you in boosting your health by weight loss promotion, improving insulin sensitivity, inflammation reduction, and it also helps you in detoxifying your body. Number 5. Proper sleep. Having proper sleep is one of the most important factors of a healthy lifestyle. Have at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Avoid mobile phones before sleeping and meditate for 10 to 15 minutes before sleeping every day. Lastly, avoid smoking and alcohol. Do not consume alcohol and do not smoke as they are very harmful to our body. This habit can destroy our respiratory system and also can pollute our blood. These habits look the simplest, but following them in our daily routine is the most difficult task. So, try to follow this in your daily routine and observe the great changes in your life. If you have enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, share this with your loved ones and subscribe our Sudeha Yoga YouTube channel. Namaste.